Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Abdul Madin Yunus representing Mastery.com. Today we are going to discuss another interesting topic with you, that is operating system. Before starting our topic, I request my new viewers kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that they can get my new uploaded videos easily. Now moving towards our topic. First of all, we will discuss what is the operating system. Operating system is a program with the following features. An operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the software and the computer hardware. It is an integrated set of specialized programs used to manage overall resources. It is an integrated set of specialized programs used to manage overall resources and operations of the computer. It is a specialized software that controls and monitors the execution of all other programs that results in the computer, including application program and other system software. And you can also see the pic that is shown on your screen, so that you can develop a better understanding that how much operating system is important for software and hardware. Then we will discuss objectives of operating system. The objectives of operating system are to make the computer system convenient to use in an efficient manner, to hide the details of the hardware resources from the user, to provide users a convenient interface to use the computer system, to act as an intermediary between the hardware and its users, making it easier for the users to access and use other resources, to manage the resources of a computer system, and also keep track of who is using which resource, granting resource requests, and mediating conflicting requests from different programs and users, to provide efficient and fair sharing of resources among users and programs. Then, we will discuss what are its characteristics. Its characteristics include memory management, processor management, device management, file management, security, job accounting, control over system performance, interaction with the operators, error detecting aids, coordination between other software and users. So we will discuss one by one. First, memory management. Keeps track of the primary memory, that is, what part of it is in use by whom, what part is not in use, and also allocates the memory when a process or program requests it. And then processor management. Allocates the processor, that is CPU, to a process and deallocates the processor when it is no longer required. And then device management. Keeps track of all the devices. This is also called I/O controller that decides which process gets the device when and for how much time. And then file management. Allocates and deallocates the resources and decides who gets the resources. And then security. Prevents unauthorized access to programs and data by means of passwords and other similar techniques. And then job accounting. Keeps track of time and resources used by the various jobs and user. And then control over system performance. Records delays between the request for a service and from the system. And then interaction with the operators. Interaction may take place via console of the computer in the form of instructions. The operating system acknowledges the same, does the corresponding action, and informs the operation by a display screen. And then error detecting aids. Production of dumps, traces, error messages, and other debugging and error detecting methods. And the last is coordination between other software and users. Coordination and assignment of compilers, interpreters, assemblers, and other software to the various users of the computer system. And then we will look what are the types of operating system that we use in our daily life. So, simple batch system, multi-programming batch system, multi-processor system, desktop system, distributed operating system, clustered system, real-time operating system, handheld system. And the pics are also shown, which are the examples of types of operating system. So friends, this is a lecture. That is, what is operating system? What are the objectives of operating system? What are the characteristics of operating system? And what are the types of operating system, which I have discussed with you in detail. I hope you will understand it. If you have any query or you want to give us any suggestion, then kindly comment us below. Inshallah, we will meet you in the next lecture with a new topic. That's for all. Huda Hafiz.